Welcome to Teach and Tell with Valerina. So this is the place where teachers can share their ideas, tools, and experience to make learning more creative and fun. So today we are going to talk about one of interesting website. The name is Genially. And to help me explore this website, I have two amazing teachers with me today. Miss Azahara, an English teacher from Senior High School 3 Pandeglang,
Hello everyone.
and Miss Rahma, an English teacher from Senior High School Laboratorium Semarang.
Hello guys.
So welcome to my channel, Miss.
Yeah, thank you. Miss. Yeah.
Okay, so I have several questions for you, and I hope you don't mind if I ask you this question. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. What exactly is Genially?
Genially is an online platform that will use about presentation, games, or anything like it's similar like Canva, but it's different. In this Genially is many feature that we will use in our material in class for the teacher.
Okay, so what about you, Miss Rahma?
It's okay.
I found opportunity is application in online
And social media.
social media. Creative example on Instagram, TikTok, another teachers, but wow, this cool. Really make English listen more fun.
Okay, and what about you, Miss Azahara? Did you find this website from your social media, like Miss Rahma, maybe?
No, I found this generally from the online workshop.
Workshop?
Yeah, online workshop, and the host gives the generally for the example presentation like this generally for our class like that, or
Okay.
media in your class like that. So I searching what is generally like that, and I try the many features in this website, so I feel like comfortable. So and then I use this generally for my class.
Okay, that sounds interesting. And
Yeah.
could you share how you use this media in your English classroom?
Yeah, I use this generally in my classroom for presentation about our material today. So I will give the example for you. This one. This is my account.
Okay.
So for the first in our class, I will tell the what is material today. Okay, for the example, descriptive text. So I will explain about the definition, about the structure, or how to use the descriptive text like that. Sorry.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
Nah, so the material like this will be like this, like presentation, and then we call next definition like that. So in this website too, there have games that we will create. For example, I make a quiz about true or false. Then I make the question, and then the student will choose the answer. The answer will be true or false. Like that.
And that they can
Yeah.
choose true or false in that.
Yeah, the teacher will present this material. So for the first, the teacher must send the link or code QR for the student with the group class, or just share the link like that.
So they also use their mobile phone, right?
Yeah, then they have to open it like this and then just click the start, and the question will be C. Like for the example, the question is descriptive text is written blah 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 blah, so the answer is true or false, like
Oh,
that.
okay.
So the student will choose the one of them and then send the answer like that.
There are many games on channel here besides
Yeah,
true or
it's not.
false.
Yeah, it's not the true or false, but I have a game that storytell quiz or guess the movie with emojis like
okay,
that. So I use this generally for
Okay,
me.
such interesting.
Yep.
What about you, Miss Rahma?
Uh, mm, I for reading comprehension
Comprehension,
activities and interactive slides, where a student called words or pictures, meanings or unanswered questions,
Okay.
and help focus and exploring learning on 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 their own. Yeah.
Okay, so how did your student respond to using this media? And did you find any chance from your students?
I think my student responded like positively. Like they have more fun and interactive tool in my class. And one of them say the journal is good for our class like that. So they have a comfortable with that game that I have to send with them like that. And they're so more comfortable with this journal. Not about what is that Canva. They say Canva is boring
Okay.
because because the Canva didn't have a game like this generally.
Kind for only presentation, right?
Yeah.
They were interesting. So.
Yes.
And Miss Rahma?
Yes, we're more motivate and enthusiastic and traditional slide, but generally they paid more attention and even more activities.
Oh, they were
Yeah.
enjoy with Chuneli. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And I heard every tools has challenges, right? So
Yes.
what kind of challenges that you first time when you using this media?
For me, I have two challenges that I will that I heard to learn this website. For the first is many features in this generally, so I will more explore about this features in this generally. And the second one is internet. Network.
Okay.
Yeah, if we have a bit network, it will be too long
To open
loading.
this website.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have a good network.
Okay. And Miss Rahma, did you do
Uh,
something with?
I struggle with loading time and student in internet access and simple design and screenshot speak up. Yeah. Everyone's call still follow. Yeah.
Okay. And how did you overcome these challenges?
For the challenges one that many features, I usually explore this generally day by day.
Okay.
Yeah, I just explore many features and then many games that I have to use in my class like that. And the second one is network. I usually bring my mini Wi-Fi. I have to bring my mini Wi-Fi in every situation. So I connected this my Wi-Fi to my laptop, so it work.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you
so the
have
internet
to
have to
bring every small Wi-Fi, mini
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, right?
Yes.
And what about you, Miss Rama?
I joined an online communicative and watch YouTube tutorials, and I help understand future better. And internet issues download as like a PDF, and student still study offline.
Okay, so you have the similar challenges on the network.
Yeah.
And if you know this challenge on the network, would you recommend this website for other teacher, knowing the what is it, open dictionary have to have a good internet?
I think they must have a good network like Wi-Fi, and yeah, so it will be easily to open this channel like for hotspot like that.
And you recommend it to other teacher?
Oh yeah, sure. I will recommend this generally for other teacher and every school. Yeah, so generally is easily to use. Like you must try the games that student will be comfortable with your material. The
Mhm.
generally is easily to use because the features is easily, I
It's
think.
simple to use, Eric.
Yeah, you use many template that you will find, and you just change the text or what is it? Change the text or material in this template. If you have to make it originally, you just edit this template.
Okay, so okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. And Mr.
Yes, I recommended this is a Chinoli, and yeah, must you try Chinoli, how creative teaching and help student enjoy learning and teacher enjoy teaching.
Okay, so before we wrap up, could you give motivation for other teacher to more creative on teaching media in this era?
Okay, in this digital era, the teacher should explore the teaching media that they use in the class.
Mhm.
For example, Canva, generally, or anything that's similar. So, the digital era or this student in this era that comfortable with media in the class.
Okay.
They like a game that teacher give from the media,
Mhm.
like collaborating about the material, and then the games that collaborating in it will be one game, so it will what is that?
It will be more creative in
Yeah, it
English
will-
classroom, right?
Yes,
Okay.
so you between teacher and student will the same feel comfortable.
Okay, good. And
Yeah, sure. Teaching in digital area.
Era.
Yeah, era. Just learning and exploring, but alright. Like Chinoli. Remember, creativity makes learning meaningful, and not only for student, but use as for teacher.
teacher, okay, that's
Okay.
such an inspiring motivation. So thank you, Miss Azahra and Miss Rahma, for sharing your experience with us, and thank you, listener, to stay on Teach and Tell with Valerina. See you in the next episode, and keep teaching creatively. Bye bye.